In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create crepe paper flowers using the pre-cut DIY packages from my Etsy shop, which will be linked in the description box below. You have the option to purchase single flowers, pre-made sets of flowers that I've come up with, or you can message me on Etsy with your ideas and we can put a package together that suits your needs. Giant flowers are great for creating a stunning impact when decorating weddings, showers, nurseries, birthday parties, and even your home. The best thing about this is that they're completely reusable and will stand the test of time. Let's get started. So starting off with my DIY flower kit, I've already cut all of the petals for you. This kit includes a cardboard circle as a backing for you to build your flower on and place against the wall, and then a small command strip that you use in order to stick it to the wall. So what you're going to do is pull out all of your petals and separate them from smallest to largest, and then work from there. Taking your smallest petals, I would recommend starting off only doing one petal at a time until you get used to the cupping process. As you can see, I use about 4 at a time, and that is how many I'd say you can use maximum without them getting messy looking. What you're going to do is first flip that little tab backward and then flip your petal over so that the tab is facing the back. Then pull from the center of your petal to create a cup shape. Make sure not to pull all the way to the outer edges, only grab in the middle of the petal and then pull from there so that you get that really nice realistic petal looking shape. Then proceed to use the same steps in order to shape all the rest of your petals. It's as easy as that. Once you're done shaping your petals, it'll be time to start gluing them on with your hot glue gun. Again, if you are new to this, I would suggest gluing and adding one petal at a time, but if you get more comfortable, you can do quite a few at a time before the glue dries. Add some glue to the tab that you flipped backward and press it down onto the backing, starting at the center, again working from your smallest petals to the largest ones. So with your first smallest petal, you're going to add glue to the tab and slightly pinch the top of the petal together and press the tab onto the backing so that it looks like a cup, like twisted onto itself, starting out a flower, the center of a flower shape. Now take the rest of your petals and begin to glue them down around that center petal. You want to glue a petal and then slightly rotate the circle and then add your next petal so that they're all being evenly distributed around the center. Then all you need to do is follow the same steps until you get all of your petals added onto the circle.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As you can see here, there's a small amount of the backing that is still showing, and what you're going to do is add a line of glue to that base and start to push down and fan out your petals so that they stay perky and full and don't droop on the wall. You're going to do this with the majority of your petals. And once everything is glued down, the very center petals do not need to be glued, and you can just spread them out with your fingers. And this is your finished flower.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Don't forget to flip it over and peel off the red side of the command strip, placing it in a spot where it sticks off the side of the cardboard but is still concealed with the petal so that you don't see it when it's hanging up. When you're ready to hang your petal, all you need to do is simply remove that black piece of tape and press it against the wall. Enjoy your flowers!